wizard.
Alright, good evening. I hope everyone had a good day. God bless everybody, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. On today's earlier video, we were saying if we didn't hold this intraday VWAP, we were probably going to come back down to these prices here at 96.1, around 96.1, and we did just that. And I'm sure you're wondering how did I know that when we lost this intraday VWAP, we were going to see price come back down here. I really thought she was going to hit the 85k low VWAP here at 95k. She hasn't yet, but doesn't mean it's not in the cards. Well, I will tell you, it's simple. It is very simple how I knew. It is because I joined Flopping Groper's VIP Discord over a year ago, and I got access to all this priceless trading knowledge. It's a one-time fee. You pay one time for a lifetime of priceless trading knowledge. Not only from Flopping Groper, who's very active in the community, but just from, we have member TA, we got people in the chat all the time giving out trade setups, okay? So you pay one time for a lifetime of knowledge, and this is the reason why I can come on and tell you, hey, price, if we lose this level, we're going here. And you can see price do it, okay? Now, in my opinion, it's the best premium Discord out there, just because it's a one-time payment, and it's only, right now it's on sale for $200. You can't beat that. $200 for a lifetime of knowledge. And when these other guys out here with the courses are charging $200-$300 a month, okay, and if it is a single sell, it's usually worth thousands, $500 to thousands of dollars. And Nick's out here giving it to everybody for one time for $200. Usually it's $500, but right now you can get it for $200. You can get lifetime knowledge for $200, and that is priceless, guys. The description will be in the video, or the everything you need to know is in the description below. I hope to see you guys in there, man. It's really changed my career, like, and it can change yours too. We're just all average, everyday people inside the Discord, trying to empower each other. Okay, now let's get into some TA. We are coming above our intraday VWAP here. Closing candles above our intraday VWAP. We can, if we do continue, let's look at the 15. We are getting the yellow bullish continuations. VWAP looks like she's curving down though. She is curving down. Now she could continue up. She could bounce off the zero line and keep this momentum wave going. Possible you still got some room to run on this momentum. These glasses make me colorblind. It's hard to see the money flow and everything. Money flow is coming up. It's not like draining out. So we very well could VWAP right up, or LeapFrog right up to our previous day VWAP at 97.5 right here. Looking on the hour, I believe we just had a trigger wave. Yeah, a nice little trigger wave, especially now that we're coming up above the previous day VWAP with a good trigger wave. RSI's tight. They are green, curving up. VWAP shooting up. Money flow's coming up. So it looks like the LeapFrog from these levels back to 97.5 is in play. Now, when we get up to 97.5, we have to watch and see if price is gonna break above and start opening candles above this price, or if we're gonna get rejected. Okay, if we're gonna get rejected and make a lower low, possibly around this 93.786 VWAP. Okay, now we could come down and catch this 85k low, or excuse me, 68k low VWAP here, and then go up a little bit more to the previous day. But it's looking like the LeapFrog is in play from our intraday right now to our previous day. And then if we can get above our previous day, I would look at this 85k low VWAP that has already acted as resistance and support. So we're underneath. Excuse me. I expect her to be resistance. If we do get back above 97.5, I'm looking at 98.5 as the next rejection down. I still feel like we have more downside coming. We may see little bounces as we continue down. But the daily, like we were saying in this morning's video as well, there's a possibility she comes up here and just starts to curve off. She gets rejected towards the zero line, and this wave continues down. That's exactly what we're seeing now. She didn't cross over. Money flow is so tiny. I can't see it. It's still in the green, barely in the green. Such a tiny, just a smidgen there. So I'm still looking for more downside, and honestly, we lose the 68K low VWAP right here. I'd be looking for 90K. You can get held up by this 786, but with the wicks down, with these major wicks, we're probably at least wick down to the 90K level. I'm still eyeing that. 2-day VWAP is getting the curve to the downside. Hard to tell on that 3-day, 4-day VWAP shooting down. And what was it? The 4-hour just printed a red diamond, a blood diamond with a red X and red diamond underneath it. And she already confirmed. Okay, we saw what happened last time. She had the same signal. Now, it could be potential bull divs here to catch a little bounce back to maybe 99K, maybe. But like I said, I'm still eyeing this 90K level in the next few days. I could be totally wrong, could be invalidated. We could bounce right here at 93 and continue higher. But we have flipped bearish on the daily. In the last few days, we are in a bearish structure. So I'm expecting higher lows and lower lows. And let's finish off on the 1 hour, or actually let's go to the 15 to see. Yeah, see the 15. That wave is still getting thick. You're still getting your yellow bullish continuation diamonds. But I don't know. I have so much PTSD from all the volatility. She could look like she's about to take off and then boom, come right back down. But that's why we play the VWAPs right now. That LeapFrog is in play. The daily LeapFrog is in play. If not, if we do come up here and we start rejecting, I would expect lower lows. At least down to the 68K low VWAP at 95K. I'd expect at least 95K, and if we're coming below that, you can look for 93, 94K as support. And if we do LeapFrog back to your intraday, and you start closing candles above this price, look for 98.5 as the next big zone of resistance. Okay. Thanks for all my new subscribers. We're at 81, man, growing the channel. Like I said, the link to become a VWAP wizard like myself, it will be in the description below. Y'all make sure you take advantage of it right now. That Discord changed the whole game for me and made it to where I could come and bring you and call these moves for the community I'm building. Once again, thank you everybody. That'll do it for me. I will have 1 or 2 weekend update videos. I am grinding out on Bushido right now, trying to get that game out. But I hope you all have a great day, and we'll be back sometime this weekend. That'll do it for me. I'm out.